Good morning, students. In English literature, yesterday I explained some lines of this poem. As some portions I covered and explained. As page number 64, it is given three wise old women. So the three wise old women, it is given three wise old women. Three wise old women. Three wise old women. The poem name is Three Wise Old Women. So next portion, as you see page number 64, it is given. So till as there I explained there and sat there screaming, we will drop, till here I explained. But the wind was strong as wind could be, and blew their leader right out to sea. So one woman imagined that when all the three were on the stair, on the ladder, what will happen? The strong wind will start blowing, and after that, that ladder will drop into the river. And from that, so the three wise women were all float. A float means they are floating on the water. In this way, all the three women will start floating, means floating on the water in the river, and they will be saved. In a leaky ladder instead of a boat, and every time the waves rolled in. So in this way, in a leaky ladder instead of a boat, in this type of leaky ladder means weak ladder, instead of a boat, there is no boat in the river. But how they will float? How they will be saved? How? So leaky ladder instead of a boat, it will be safe. And every time the waves rolled in. In this way, in the river, every time the waves of the water, it will roll the body in the water. So maybe it is not possible to float on the water. So these women were thinking that how they may be saved. After that, what they imagined? Of course, the poor thing were wet to the skin. Then they took their basket, the water to lake. After that, of course, the poor things were wet to the skin. Means they will be wetted by the water. Means water wet him. Water wet them. And skin will be wetted. So at that time, what they will do? When they will be wetted, that time what they will do? So in this way, they put up their fan instead of the sail. They will put their fan instead of their sail. Sail means as swimming across the river, as swimming on the water of the river. So they put up their fan instead of a sail. So they will not sail. Instead of a sail, they put their fan. They put their fan in the water. But what became of the wise women then? So what will happen at that time when they will put the fan in the water? Whether they ever sailed home again. So after putting fan in the water, they will be go to home again. Like that they hope. Whether they saw any bears or no, you must find out, for I don't know. The poet is telling whether they ever sailed home, whether they saw any bears or no. They thought more and more about bear, that bear will come, bear will eat, but really it happened. The poet is saying it may be or not maybe, but they thought about the safety. So in this way, all the three women were very wise women, and they thought accordingly as what they imagined. One by one, they told that what they could imagine and how they will be saved. So in this way, what happened? The poet is saying, I don't know more, that maybe bear came or not, I don't know. You must find out, for I don't know. Means poet is saying for the readers that you find the story that it happened or not according to these lines, what he mentioned, what he told in the poem. So it means it is only imagination. So dear student, suppose to, if you are going anywhere and you forgot the way, so suppose to consider that you forgot the way. So how can we return the home? How can you return the home? In this way you can think, you can find out, you can search the way, that how can you return? So in this way you can imagine the story, you can imagine the way as accordingly your thoughts. So in this way the three wise old women, it is finished, and you can try to understand again and again. And tomorrow I will explain the exercise as fill in the blanks and tick the correct answer, and I will give the question answer as in the study material. For today's class, thank you, and you learn all the word power also.